You give a true north, like a 90-day vision, like your 1 quarter primary focus. It's like, what's your big goal for the quarter? And then how do you break that down into this month? What's your focus for this month to get you closer to that true north? And then your target today, what's that one thing that you really need to get done to make today successful? Hey friends, welcome to Creative X. My name is Brad Hussey and I'm a web designer. Today I want to share a clip from my weekly office hours session that I host in the Creative X crew, which is my free community for professional designers and developers, freelancers, and founders. During these sessions, I answer questions, provide design feedback, live coaching calls, and I also host lectures and workshops, all with the sole purpose of helping you succeed as a designer. If that sounds like you, join the crew. The link is down below in the description and the pinned comment. Without further ado, cue the clip. Quick resource for everybody. I'm going to share it in the community here. It's what I use. I don't always write it down and use my own sheet of paper, but this is like what I do in my head in a format that you can check out. So this is the system I use in my business. I use it all the time. It's what I've always done. It's what I keep coming back to. Whenever I get loosey-goosey and I'm kind of all over the board, this is what I do to make sure that I'm on track. So yeah, it's a blank template. Print it out as many times as you want. Here's a tutorial on how it works. It's just basically daily blocks. You block off your time. I usually do it in increments of 30 minutes like this. And you can see how I tend to do it. So this is just an example. This is not my schedule. This is just like, here's an idea. You give a true north, like a 90-day vision, like your 1 quarter primary focus. It's like, what's your big goal for the quarter? And then how do you break that down into this month? What's your focus for this month to get you closer to that true north? And then your target today, what's that one thing that you really need to get done to make today successful? And these are all connected to that true north. You don't just like, I want to make $35,000 in client sales in the first quarter of 2023. So today's focus is go for a run. You're like, no. Go for a run, sure, but that's not going to make you client income unless that's your business or something. So forget that. Like, what's the thing today that gets you closer to this month's focus and gets you closer to that 90-day vision? Your do-to list, silly way of me playing with to-do list, really just means like, what's 2 things that you need to get done today? And then just ideas, a little spot for ideas. It's just a way to apply your own system to a framework I've created. Today's wins, today's lessons. So a little bit of journaling. I don't like spending too much time journaling, but it's nice to go, hey, today, this is why it was good. This is what I learned or what I should have done better. And so here's the blank template. Create your own daily block. Maybe you only work 4 hours a day. Maybe you work 12 hours. There's enough here to create your own system, block it off, create your 90-day vision, your anchor for the month and your target for the day. A couple things you need to do with it what you will, modify it, play with it. You can use it if you want. If it's totally contrary to the way you work, then just scrap it and don't even bother with it. I don't want to make your day more complex. But that's just an idea. So if you got lots of ideas or plans or goals, print some of these out, try it out, see how it works for you. Like I said, I do this in my own head. I go, okay, well, this morning I'm doing this, this afternoon I'm doing this. My goal for the 3 months is this. Like I kind of just do it in my head, but sometimes I need to revisit it on paper. Thanks so much for watching that. If you liked it, tap the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you loved it and want some more, join us in the Creative X crew. While you're here, why not check that video out? Cheers.